Tonight we had a breakfast tater tot casserole. For produce, I have some garlic, an onion, some colorful bell peppers, a jalapeno, and a tomato. Then for protein, I'm using some venison and pork sausage mix, as well as some bacon and sausage that I had in the freezer that's already cooked. Then you're also going to need some eggs, milk, and cheese. And then of course you're going to need your tater tots or potato puffs. Then I'm just going to go ahead and wash all of my vegetables really well, and then I'm just going to chop everything really finely. And then here's what it looks like all laid out. And I use about half of everything except for I use the whole tomato and the whole jalapeno. Then into a pan, I'm just going to go ahead and brown up that venison sausage, which is pre-seasoned, so I didn't have to add anything to that. Once it was all browned, I went ahead and drained it, and then I added in the frozen sausage and bacon that I had and just let that warm through, and then I set it aside. Then I went ahead and cracked my eggs into a bowl, added some milk and some everything seasoning. Then I just went ahead and added some cheese in there. Then I mixed that up really well, and once that was all well incorporated, then I went ahead and added in my vegetables. Then I just stirred that again really well, and then I got out my casserole dish. I went ahead and put down a piece of parchment paper, and then I just laid out all my little tater tots, put the sausage and bacon in there, and then I smoothed that out, added in the eggs over the top, and then I let that smooth out, and then I just topped it with some more of those tater tots, and then I seasoned them with just a little bit of seasoning salt or Tony's or something like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, and this is going to bake for about 45 minutes, 50 minutes or so. It takes a little while, but it's really easy to do. Then when it had about 10 minutes left, I went ahead and just sprinkled the top with some more cheese, and then I let that bake a little bit longer. And once it was all done, it was super golden brown. Then I found some green onions, so I went ahead and added those on top, and here's what it's looking like, and there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy. If you try it, let me know.